bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I am a rock. I am alive.
Like being at a Simon and Garfunkel performance, except it's better.
It takes you back to when you were young and
takes you right back to the 70s. And
makes me cry every time I see it.
Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme.
All through my life, certain songs have resonated with me, and it was such an honor to be here today and listen to them. They were absolutely amazing.
This was an amazing show. I mean, it goes without saying that the music is incredible. That's what draws most people here. But this band is amazing. They were just unbelievable. Could have stayed 3 times as long.
Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. Just picking down the cobblestones, looking for fun and feeling groovy. La 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 la, feeling groovy.
These guys nailed it. Stunning vocals, unbelievable musicality. I tell you, this was one of the best bands out there. You gotta go. Anyway, I'm verklempt.